My name is Alejandro del Bosque. I'm from Monterrey, Mexico, and football is my passion. I've practiced football since I was little in youth sports, then high school, college, and in LFA, Mexican Professional League. Football teaches you skills that can be used not only in the field but in your life. Responsibility, discipline, teamwork, and leadership are skills I apply every day at home, work, and coaching. We never stop learning, so I want to experience the work culture used in the NFL and bring the knowledge back home and adapt it to any project, sports, or work related where I'm involved. My work philosophy states that people is the most important asset for any project you want to do. I like to find their motives, understand their feelings, align them with a goal, and accomplish it together.
We're my team, a mighty, mighty, we're my